how I turned my YouTube channel into a money-making machine. Honestly, I won't lie to you, there was a time when I thought it was impossible. But looking back at my very first video and comparing it to where I am today, you can actually see the progress. It wasn't a huge leap, but it all started by just uploading that first video. And now here I am in this video ready to share a secret that's going to change your channel's growth super fast. Okay, real talk, just a few days ago, I found myself inside the YouTube algorithm, and let me tell you, it was like striking gold. How did I do it? Well, let's dive into my latest analytics, shall we? Bam, look at this. Sure, it's not a massive achievement yet, but the growth is undeniable. And here's the reason why I'm making this video. I'm about to share a secret that nobody is going to tell you. It's the keyword secret that's making my channel grow not just fast, but super fast. Here's the thing, you cannot unlock this secret unless you already have a YouTube channel. But since you're watching this, I'm guessing you're ready to take that next step. Alright, let's talk tags. These tags are the hidden gems that are pulling in traffic every single day and keeping me in YouTube's algorithm. This is my traffic source breakdown. Now tell me, have you checked your own traffic source yet? Do you know what's working for you and what isn't? For me, there's this one keyword that's killing it, making my channel blow up, and I'm betting that if you try it, you could outdo me seriously. But hey, if you don't have that perfect keyword yet, don't stress. Follow this one strategy, keep your tags similar and repeat them in every video. Some might call it a scam, trust me, it's not. It's exactly what I've been doing. Oops, I just spilled the secret. Now hit that subscribe button because I just gave you gold. Now let's get to the part you're really here for, my YouTube money making machine. Check out my analytics, it's up by over 999% in the last 28 days. And you know what? It didn't happen by chance. It's all about uploading daily and sticking with it. This only works if you're consistent with daily uploads, especially in the beginning. Another secret, work with someone, a sibling, a friend, create a small team to hit those daily goals. It makes all the difference. Before I wrap up, there's one more secret about how views really work, but I'll save that for my next video. You'll definitely want to come back for that. So don't forget, make today's video now. Just like Nike says, just do it. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Let's keep crushing it.